morning vlog. I don't know if we're gonna proceed with this video, but welcome to my vlog. Welcome to my trip to Hermanus. Yeah, let's go.
5-star hotel, whatever it is.
Let's see how far my updates will go. We are now at the one-stop shop to get some fuel. Let me tell you, in this life, as a female, the government must sponsor us with fuel for free, right? Yeah. They are ever very slow. That's why I stopped here. Because, you know, it's a one-stop shop. But, yeah, I'm just thinking about it. Oh, the pain of my life. I'm a glue. Thing about fuel, it smells so nice, but the pain of paying for it. Damn it. My guy, I'm not even blind. Oh, shit. This was an anaconda. Like, what in the hell? Shit. Naar van honger. Like legit naar. Eat something sweet. Morning. I'm standing outside oatmeal because it's still cold inside. Taking a break. 20 minutes to go still. I didn't go via beach because when I go home, I'll go via the beach. But the sun is gonna come up very soon. So yeah. Oh, when I don't have any signal. Hopefully we get signal along the way. But for now, I'm off air. Kan jy reg glo? Ja, Telkom is the bits. Anyway, it's gonna be you, me, and my arm because this thing here is now showing me an attitude. My phone cannot go in there. They used to have like very nice animals here, but I don't know. It doesn't look like it. There's only a moo. this. Never been a lawyer, eh? Yo! How beautiful! This is no joke. This view. Crazy. Damn it! And yeah, I go all the way to Ficks pools and then I must turn around because I need to get to this beach after, how long is it? Full Club Beach, 866. Okay, that's not bad. This view is crazy. How cute. Damn it. Yo, I won't lie, no. I've been running now for 10 minutes already, but it's not getting warmer. Flippin' hell. Ja, this is mooi. All right, but yo, it doesn't get easier. It gets worse. Oh. Pretty, right? Pretty pea. What I am waiting for is that peep. The sun is about to pop. Baby, it's coming, it's coming. It's coming, guys. Good morning, sun. Oh, wow. This could not even be made up. Look at that. Hi. Oh, it's a beautiful day already in Hermanus. The sun is out. Look at that. I'm hoping to see some whales. Sun-kissed. Good morning, sun. We honestly can't make this up. I'm so sure that the water comes through here at night. Oh my goodness. Look at that. God did that. Clock that. Yo! It's about to hit the wave. I wish I could make up this view, but this view is breathtaking. And the waves are so high. Just check now. It's gonna pound. one. What? Oh, look at that. The water is wild here. Wat gaan aan hier? Wow. Wow, that's beautiful. Look at that. Wow, and it's not ending. Wow. Look at that green. Wow. Look at that. You're joking, right? Wow. So freaking cool. Wow. My mouth has been open like this the entire time because every time when you take a turn and you see the beauty that God created for us. Are you insane? Honey? Oh my God. Oh, that wave just... Oh! Yeah! Oh God, this thing will not chase me. I need to get out. Ooh, one of that scary animals is looking at me. Ah! Just stay there. Meneer. Jy gaat nie vir my jaggie. Imagine that thing start chasing me. Yep, nah. Guys, I always wanted to see how fixed pools look. And yeah, my, it's there. I'll walk till there and I'll show y'all what this man is making a video of me. But nah, I'm also gonna make a video of him. Yeah, but he's busy working. Yeah. Yo, it's hier afgelei. Just a new come. Yo, look at that view. Ah, julle gaan kwaad wees op my want ek wys elke draai, but I'm not joking. Would you be comfortable in this restaurant? Beautiful. Ficks walls. And Ficks pools. Okay, I'm gonna have to turn around now because I still have to drive on. I just stopped to walk till here and I'm gonna turn around and go to Volkie something Volkie. But yeah, this was beautiful, to say the least. Give me my chocolate for some energy. Yeah, the sun is more sunny. My chocolate. Okay. And it's back. Bye. What? See, the stuff here is what I was talking about. Oh, because I know so baie. Oh, y'all know. Ooh, here's also one sitting. Ooh, kyk vir my. Just don't come for me, bruh. I'm not even joking. There's 3 sitting in this path. 4. Hoekom is hier so baie van die goed? Bro, if this stuff start chasing me now, I'll start crying. I don't know if I will come back and continue this vlog. But if I don't, you know, I love you. I love you so very much. And just be good and look after your health. And yeah, just be a lekker mens, man. And I know you can't see my facial now because of the sun in the background, but yeah, just be happy until we see each other again, okay? Love you, babes.